Welcome into the channel, guys. Today we are back in the kitchen putting together a recipe for Ghanaian beef jollof rice. All my ingredients used in this recipe, of course, will be listed in the description box for you. We're starting out using regular vegetable oil, sauteing down my red onions, adding cayenne pepper. Adding in some tomato paste, and we're going to bring this to a simmer. Adding in my roasted vegetables blend. Going in now with my seasonings, I'm adding some sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to mix this in really well, and then I'll come in with my remaining ingredients: dried thyme, beef flavored better than bouillon, it's a little bit dry, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some more vegetable oil and my bay leaves. That's a little bit better there. It's moving more freely and not so thick. After letting it simmer for a bit, I'm now adding in my beef tips. And now I'm adding in my rice. I'm going to go ahead and get everything coated really well, mixed in well, and then we're just going to let it sit and do its thing. After 30 minutes on a really low heat, we're going to go in now and lift our rice. Make sure it is not sticking too bad and burning on us. This wok really held up well cooking this dish. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the end of this video and we are done with this recipe. It is husband approved, and that is all the confirmation that I need. My husband is in love with this recipe. I'm glad that I was able to pull it off. Not many can, as I hear, but we did it here in Chukwuemeka Kitchen because that's what we do. Thanks for hanging out, guys. And as usual, Yah willing, we shall see you on the next one. Shalom.